My name is Tracy Naledi. I am the Deputy Dean for Social Accountability and Health Systems in the Faculty of Health Sciences, and I'm also the chair of SHAWCO. I'm so passionate about SHAWCO. SHAWCO takes our students into the community and it allows our students to learn as they are serving communities. They are learning about leadership, they are learning about community development, they are learning about teamwork. So SHAWCO was started by one of our students in 1943, Andrew Kinner, and he was supported by an academic, Dr. Golda Selzer, who was a pathologist at the time. Andrew and Dr. Selzer then set up these mobile clinics that were servicing particularly low-income communities within the Cape Flats. Over time, SHAWCO became a welfare organization and became an NGO. So SHAWCO has three entities. There's SHAWCO Health.
So the health part of SHAWCO provides primary care services to various communities around Cape Town.
We're at Hout Bay. This is Centennial Primary School that we're currently at. This is where we usually host our yearly family day clinic.
This work is very important because a lot of the communities we go to often struggle to access primary healthcare services because the lines at the clinic are very long or clinics are very far away from them. So we provide them with services quite quickly, and we also provide them with specialist professionals that they often wouldn't be able to access at their local clinics.
I've been living here all my life in Hout Bay, and this for us is very convenient because we struggle with services here, and this is very helpful to the community.
We came here and we want to care for these people that don't often receive care due to our overburdened healthcare system.
The second part is SHAWCO Education.
So our SHAWCO Education program has two programs underneath it. Our violence prevention program that discusses gender-based violence, and our digital literacy program, which teaches our learners digital skills. These are skills that they're not just going to apply in high school, but in university, when they get jobs, and it's going to have a lasting effect. So what we want to do is make sure that we're empowering the students.
The third piece is SHAWCO Law, and which is our legal students who actually provide legal literacy to communities.
The law for anyone can be extremely daunting. It's not about a student needing to go to court. It's the first step. It's about who do I talk to, what are my physical rights. One of the most important things about SHAWCO Law is access to justice, so providing that access to more and more people.
So my first encounter with SHAWCO was when I was in high school at grade 11. They had a program called SHAWCO Shine, and so it was extra lessons for maths and physical sciences. The impact that SHAWCO has, how it engages with community is something that is just out of this world. I mean, I've been a beneficiary. I've seen the impact that SHAWCO had on me, that the first time that I came to the university was through SHAWCO, and now I'm still in SHAWCO, and so it's just endless, it's endless.
It's really awesome being part of the legacy of SHAWCO. Almost gives you so much respect for the organization and empowers you to want to further it for another 82 years.
My role has really focused on meeting SHAWCO's needs. It's been very rewarding to work with the SHAWCO executives, Chair Tracy Naledi and Director Jolien March.
I think SHAWCO is special because all of us who were students here at UCT remember it so fondly. Our humanity is very much around being in community and giving to others. Students go out and become professionals in the world that have compassion, that have empathy, that have that understanding of where people come from and understand the context in which people come from, their challenges. I think they just are better professionals. It's really important to understand those that you serve and the context in which they come from.
It's almost been like something that's been growing with me throughout UCT.
It's been such a privilege to work with them. I've learned a lot about myself. I've learned that I really enjoy working with kids, and it's been such a fulfilling experience.
To people who are interested in supporting SHAWCO, I would want them to know that we as the leaders and our volunteers who go to these communities are absolutely committed to bettering these communities. I think everyone who's part of SHAWCO has this generosity of spirit, is what I like to call it, of giving of themselves to the community. Any support you give, we can guarantee it'll be put to good use.
I think the least we can do is donate to SHAWCO to support these generous student volunteers. We're really enabling students to learn to be compassionate medicos.
Alumni should support SHAWCO because they will be investing in the future. Because if you are providing support to SHAWCO, you are providing support for a platform for our students to enrich their learning.